Bonjour and welcome to this video where we'll be covering chapter 1.4 negative and fractional indices. Firstly, we'll go through the laws which you have to remember in order to get all the questions correct. Firstly, any number to the power of 0 is 1. Secondly, any number to the power of 1 over a constant, which is m in this case, is equal to m root of a meaning the number. Third rule, a, which is a number to the power of n over m, where n and m are constants, is equal to m root a all to the power of n. Law number 4, a, which is a number to the power of minus m, which is a constant, is equal to 1 over a to the power of m. Now have a go at these questions. So for question 1, prove that x to the power of a half is root x. You should have got this, where it shows that x to the power of a half times x to the power of a half is x to the 1. And root x times root x is x, therefore x to the power of a half is root x. For question 2, you should have got 1 over 3, where you get rid of the subtraction symbol in the power to make it 1 over 81 to the power of a quarter, where 81 to the power of a quarter is 3, so you get 1/3. For question 3, you should have got 8. Following the law at the top, the third one, you should get 2 cubed, which is 8. For question 4, you should have got a third x squared y to the power of a half. So following the second law, you should multiply each constant or variable by the power. So in this case, 1 over 9 times by a half is 1/3. No. You square root everything. So 1 over 9 square rooted is 1/3. X to the power of 4 square rooted is x squared. Y to the power of 1 square rooted is y to the power of a half. Next question, you should have got 4/9, where you get rid of the subtraction to flip the fraction, which is 8 over 27 to the power of 2/3. Cube roots everything to get 2/3 squared, and then square everything. The last question, you should have got 75b to the power of minus 4. Sub in a fifth b squared to a to get 3 1/5 b squared to the power of minus 2. Expand everything and simplify to get 3 times 25b to the minus 4 to get 75b minus 4. Write a surd using indices. This question here, if 27 root 3 equals 3 to the power of k, determine the value of k. The key here is to write everything as powers with a consistent base. In this case, it will be 3. So firstly, you make 27 root 3 separately, write separately. Make 27 into a power of 3, which is 3 cubed, and root 3 is 3 to the power of a half. When you multiply two powers, you add the exponents. So 3 plus a half is 7 over 2. And normally in maths, it's the norm to avoid mixed numbers, so you don't get confused. So it's unadvisable to write 3 to the power of 3 1/2. So therefore k equals 7 over 2. Now have a go at these examples. Please pause the video and Have a try. For the first question, I'd expand the brackets. So 4 cubed and then x 4 times 3 to get 64x to the power of 12 y squared over 2x squared y to the power of 5. Then to simplify, you divide everything from the denominator to the numerator to get 64 divided by 2, x 12 minus 2, y 2 minus 5, because of the index laws, which we learnt about in a video before, to get 32x to the power of 10, y minus 3, or 32x 10 over y cubed. The second question, you should write everything in to the power of 4, where 4 is the big number and minus 2x minus 3 is the exponent. So expand the bracket to get 4 to the power minus 2x plus 3 and put 4 to a base of 2, which is 2 squared. Get rid of the squared and times it with the exponent to get 2 to the power of minus 4x plus 6. Separate the minus 4 and 6 to get 2 to the power of minus 4x times 2 to the 6. 2 to the 6 is 64. And 2 to the power of minus 4x is the same as 2 to the power of x, all multiplied, all to the power of minus 4. And you should get 64y to the power of minus 4. As in the question it says that y equals 2 to the power of x. Have a go at this exam question. Here you should have got y equals 2 minus a quarter times 2x plus 3, and all the working out shit is on the screen. Thank you for listening to my video, and please subscribe and comment down below.